In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Reaper race here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. This is going to be the fastest guide. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first things first, you have to have the Wrath race equipped. If you're not using Wrath, the quest progress will not count. But from here, go ahead and make your way over to the little teleporter, interact with it, and make your way to Slayer Island. Once you're on Slayer Island, you need to find the Reaper quest NPC. Holy, this NPC boss is big. This guy's located right next to the Strong Slayers. If you just make your way over here, you'll see him. Interact with this guy just like so. And you need to defeat 1,500 NPCs using the Wrath race. You can just go ahead and farm these guys just like so. But take out these guys over and over and over again. For the second trial, you need to complete 3 boss souls. The Warrior Soul, which is from the Spirit Warrior. The Ancient Soul, which is from the Cosmic Being or the Sun Incarnate, which is over on this island as well. Cosmic being on Punch Island. Or the Time Soul as well, which drops from the World Boss. These souls are affected by luck, so use 2x luck boost if you do have them. The third trial, requires you to defeat 10 Krakens while using the Wrath race. And then you also have to go ahead and complete 10 raids without dying while still using the Wraith. Once all 4 of those are done, you can return to the NPC here on Slayer Island. And then, of course, as soon as you do that, you can evolve into the Secret Reaper race, which is right now the best race in the entire game. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace. Oh, that's kind of tough, is it not?